How to manage other notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage other notifications on Facebook mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find here settings, and then click settings, and now click notifications and go down until you find here other notifications, and then just manage here anything you want, and now just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.